5-set game but na-close out ng PLDT yung bronze against Farm Fresh. What can you say about how the team played today?
Yun coming from the Tuesday game, ang niremind na lang talaga sa kanila, magiging mental game na lang talaga yung magiging game 2. Kasi tulad nung sa kahapon, wala na kami time to prepare na mag-court kasi mas importante na mahabol namin yung fatigue na mawala para sa game today. So, at least kahit paano nagbunga, nandun sa mga crucial stretch, naka-execute kami ng tama, lalo dun sa 5th set. So, sobrang hirap at nakakapagod na umabot sa semis. Ang goal namin, yun talaga yung unang-una, umabot ulit ang pang-apat dahil lahat na ng teams ngayon napakalakas. Knowing na yung nakalaban din natin, Farm Fresh galing sa, hindi naman rebuilding pero halos naka-merge nila yung cherry na key players, yung nakita naman kanina. May tubo sa harap, pag-ikot, si Paat na naman yung atake. Napakahirap pero yun nga, hindi man namin nakuha yung pinaka-goal namin na mag-finals. Mas ibibigay ko yung pag-comment sa players na nilaban tong third. So kahit paano pa rin, thankful pa rin kami kasi milestone pa rin na nakuha namin yung third this time. Napakahirap itong ginagawa natin pero at least kahit paano nakuha namin yung bronze.
Thank you, Coach. Sabi, 20 points and 10 excellent wins in this match. Farm Fresh really gave you guys a good fight, but what happened in that 5th set that really led you guys to dominate and get this win?
I think we were all on the same page coming out of the gate. The 4th set was kind of a struggle for us. We really wanted to show that we were capable. And I don't know, just the trust that we had with each other on the court and the way that we played together, I think it didn't come easy, but it felt really good.
Thank you. Kiana, 21 points on 14 attacks, 6 blocks, and 1 ace, including the game-winning block. I guess what was just going through your mind, London, during that last point and eventually PLDT getting the bronze?
I think we really worked hard for this match, and this is like our 5th game against Farm Fresh, and we really prepared, and we all know naman pag nakakuha ng momentum si Farm Fresh, di ba? Mahirap rin silang kalaban, 1-1 talaga, and sa 5th set, it all went down to who wanted it more. So, lahat kami nag-usap na unahan na natin sila because we don't want them to get the momentum. And very, very happy. Like what Coach said, hindi man ito yung goal namin this conference, but at least we ended on a good note.
Coach, yun nga, kahit third, ito pa rin yung best finish ng PLDT sa All Filipino. Paano lang kayo mag-build dito sa third place?
Tama, best finish. Yun nga. hindi kayo siya automatic eh. Hindi ko alam bakit nagkakaroon ng ganong thinking na porket maganda yung naabot namin the past conferences. Parang automatic. Sure na kami sa finals. Napakalakas ng lahat ng kalaban, lalo this conference. Napakalakas na nagbalikan yung mga national team at naka-merge nila yung ibang teams. Yun, mahirap siya pero kung ito yung ibibigay muna sa amin this time, syempre sobrang thankful namin. Yun nga, yung best finish kasi nga nakailan na rin kaming conference na kinakapos pagdating dun sa Battle for Third dahil wala na kami dun mentally sa mga nangyari the past conferences. So, yun pa rin, balikan pa rin namin na ano yung pinaka-goal namin as a team. And pag nag-work talaga sila ng para sa kasama nila, ito talaga yung nagiging result. So, very happy.
Sabi Kiana, you said earlier 5th time facing Farm Fresh. So in that 5th set, I guess what did it take for you guys to not only finish that game, but also finish this conference strong and somehow finish the good thing that you started in this conference?
Sorry, the 5th set. Like I said, I think one term that really started coming up sa Farm Fresh is just aggression because they're super aggressive din. Sa defense, sa offense. So for us, it was just kind of matching their energy, if not surpassing it. And I think coming out of the 4th set into the 5th set, we really had to turn it up a notch mentally and both physically. And we came out like guns firing. I think we led like the entire match, if not by a lot. I think honestly that was like maybe our peak playing against them. It was always in the 5th set. Even the last game, we just come together so tightly and we trust each other, and it's always fun in the 5th. Yeah.
Or,
Same.
or
And I think naging advantage rin namin yung hindi nila na-scout yung isang player namin. Props to Keisha because she really fought. Lumaban talaga yung bata. Even sa 5th set, I think siya yung gumawa sa 5th set. And palaban talaga. And everyone in our team, kung sino man ipasok ni coach. Team effort talaga siya from the players to the coaches. Yeah, very, very, very proud of my teammates and my coaches.
May sakit si Ali.
Ay, may sakit pala si Alina. Yeah. Pero lumaban din si Alina.
and coach for with players like Sabi and Kiana, then you also have Keisha and so many other players din. Ano yung pinaka nagugustuhan yung character din or attribute ng PLDT na bukod po sa 3 podiums in the last 4 tournaments ay may consistency po talaga kayong pinapakita even though nag-evolve na yung playing field.
Siguro yung ano lang talaga, nabanggit din ni Coach Ramil sa UAP. Yung pag-evolve, hindi siya, compared sa UAP na yearly lang sila nakikita-kita. Itong sa PBL, yung pag-evolve, kahit sa mismong conference may nagbabago, may nagle-level up, may kailangang habulin skills na pag hindi mo nahabol, may iwan talaga. Siguro yung ginusto lang talaga din ng players na trabahuhin na i-level up pa yung sa amin kahit sa dulo na mas mahirap. Saka yun nga kahit paano hindi kilala pa rin namin. Well, yung core namin ngayon 2 years pa lang kami nagkasama-sama. So marami pang kailangan makilala sa isa't isa. So happy ako na kahit paano may natutunan kami in this conference. Hindi lang sa games pero dun sa outside na tingin namin mas nagiging factor talaga para mas maging solid kami.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.